When I told you that Takusaki has these abilities, now the question comes, without these abilities, what are the other abilities that Takusaki does not have? Can Takusaki walk right here? He cannot walk. Can Takusaki eat? He cannot eat. Can Takusaki come out from this board? He cannot do this. If he cannot come out from the board, how will he control the universe and weather and system? Understand the concept? If he is so limited that I can even right now, if I can remove his face, Takusaki could not stop me. He could not stop me. He is such a weak god that he cannot stop me from destroying his face. I have destroyed the face of Takusaki. The God face has been destroyed by me right here, right now in front of you. How can he be God? That one created by me. How can he be a God? I am his creator. He is not my creator. I am his creator. So who should be God? Will you call me or consider me a God because I created him? No. You will say me, you are a designer, a creator, and whatsoever, but you are not a God. And obviously, I'm not a God. You know that I'm a human. A human can create the concepts of the gods. It's clear right here. So people, when they see sun, and they used to fear in the past, they say sun is so powerful. When it comes, the planet looks bright, the color starts, looks beautiful, planet, flowers and trees and these kind of things. At the night, everything looks dark. But in the day, everything looks like shining, rising again. So sun is so powerful. But when the sun goes to the west and go down and the night comes, then where is the sun? Sun died. The sun has died. When you see the fire, fire is coming, then fire is starting and burning everything. You know that the events happen in Israel, event happened in the Karachi city of Pakistan, with the fire, event happened in all over the world through the fire. How the fire burns the things. People say fire is so powerful. If it starts, it can destroy so many things. And people with all their technologies, with their science, fail to stop the fire. And fire, keep increase, keep increase. In the event of the Karachi city of Pakistan, there was a fire in the Korangi Creek, and that fire was unable to be extinguished by the science expert equipments. They used to throw the water, and the fire was keep increasing, increasing, increasing. It was a very reverse circle. Instead of going down, the fire was increasing. They might be wondering what's happening, but there is a story. But remember, that story will be different later, not now, and stay for it. So this is what happens. So when people think science is so powerful, through science they see even the science mechanics and science machines are failing in front of fire. So what it shows? It shows science that fire is powerful than science. So if fire is powerful than science, equipments, it means the people who studied the science, who studied the universe, who made the machine, they had very limited knowledge because they do not know how to control this fire. So they have to study more, increase their knowledge more, upgrade their equipment more in order to understand why this fire is not getting extinguished, why it's keep increasing in reverse. It means the fire which is keep increasing, the fire which is going wide in the area, if it's burning, it's uncontrollable now. So how the fire is uncontrollable? The fire, if I show you a practical, now look at this. Look at this. You see this? This is the fire. It can burn my own dress. It can burn my dress. It can burn my skin. Oh my God. See the power of the fire. This is the fire. But how weak is this? If this is God, how can this be God? The God is dead. If fire is God, the God is dead. With just one blow of mine, I can simply extinguish the fire. This is the total worth of fire in front of me. So practical proof that fire can be extinguished through even a simple blow, and the fire is Fire is finished. What is the purpose of this? But this is what is created when people studied the science on this planet Earth. When they studied, then they created this. So if people created this, and this thing is showing the fire, it means that the fire is not a god, because fire is hidden inside that. A god is hidden. A god is coming, a god is died. Fire cannot be god. Fire is a creature. Weak and very weak. My blow is more powerful than a fire. A drop of water is more powerful than fire. Let me show you. Okay. Okay, let me show you something more. A water versus fire. Look, how weak is this? Right here, it dead. This is the fire. This is the science. Even a person cannot guarantee that every time he will use this, it will start burning. It can distinguish by itself as well. So how can this be a god? Look at this. Look at this. Okay, the fire is coming. You see that? Okay, now look. Look at the water. What the water did? It means practically you are learning science now. Through the observation you have seen, one drop of water extinguishes the fire. This is a total worth of fire. How can the fire be God? It means that water should be God, right? This drop of water should be God. But how can this water drop can be God? I can throw it away. If I can throw the water away, if I can throw the God away, how can that be a God who can be thrown by me? Through simple practical you have seen. Water is not God, fire is not God. If water and fire are not gods, how can other things be God? If you look at the universe carefully, when you see the leaves coming from the tree, they die. When you see humans are coming from the womb of their mother, after a certain growth, they die, they decompose again and back to earth. This is happening on this planet Earth if you look carefully on the things. Animals coming out, animals going down. Leaves coming out, leaves coming down. Flowers coming out, flowers going down. So whatever is starting, that is ending. Whatever is being created, you know, carefully look at the word I'm saying. Created, being created. Whatever is being created is being died. If this cannot be created without me, how can these things be created without he? Without he? Without who? Without who? Who is behind flowers? If I am behind this, who is behind the flower? Who if fire is coming and doing something, who is behind the fire? Who is behind the fire, by the way?